Hey, what's up, traders? December 2nd, 2020. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit about yen pairs, where they're at, and where I think they might go in the future. Like, we're super overextended in a lot of ways, but it looks like, especially in terms of AUDJPY, that we could get a pretty big breakout. So I want to share those setups. We've had a great day in our VIP group. So if you're interested in that and the services we provide, and having me as a mentor, as a beginner, intermediate, advanced, click links below, check us out. We'd love to have you in the group. So let me go ahead and share my screen, pull that up here for these yen pairs. And specifically, if you've been watching my weekly outlooks videos, I've been watching NZD like a hawk, and man, it is just not giving up without a fight. I thought we were going to have a move lower, right? We have a nice throw over setup going on here, multiple pushes, divergent RSI, and I think we're on our last leg here based on where other NZD pairs are at across the board. So if I look at NJ, see that it's still pushing, it's still pumping, but on the other hand, well, NZD USD had quite the rebound today as well. So we'll see if these rallies last, these big rebounds. This was last night, and a push back up into this resistance. And it does look like it's topping out here. But then we can go over to NZD CAD, right? So NZD CAD, big move to the downside. This was last night, and we're starting to try to rebound and rally, and this is mostly because of risk appetite in the market. But now let's take a look at CAD yen, right? So we have a nice, very similar setup that we do on NZDJPY. Beautiful throw over here. We've already broken down. Got bearish engulfing setting up, and as long as the good thing about these setups, as long as we hold under this level, we know where we're right and where we're wrong at, right? You could set 17 pip stop above this high. Risk to reward is very, very nice if we're looking for a move lower here, right? Which I definitely would be. And but we're getting more, like I said, one more big pullback, especially when it comes in terms of yen pairs. So another setup with the yen that looks Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. Levels that I really like to trade are holding up very nicely, right? So we have liquidity pool here. We have lots going on, right? Here's price pushed up, rejected, pushed up, rejected, and then broke it with the 78.6, and but now it's holding on to this resistance here. So this is a pretty interesting setup. I actually really like it a lot. You can see that on the 4-hour even better, right? So here we are. Here's our I have an entry right at this 116.75, and another one right below there, 116.60. So if we go over to the left here, you can see this was a big improper price action that's getting filled right now. Here's the buy move, institutional candle, and then the sell-off, right? So to me, it looks like that we're retesting this area. So like there's a lot of pushes higher in these yen pairs, right? But there's a lot of clues, because the market leaves clues always, that don't jump too fast to get on board with these rallying, this second rally cry. Here we are on AJ, very similar levels here. And if we go back in time, right? So you always want to look left. We're at a pretty big area in these different fractal points, and we're trying to break out. And I know, you just know, so many traders here are getting bullish or buying, right? And so when there's so many retail traders looking to buy, then you got to think, do I really want to go in on that, right? So here's a great example of that, right? false breakout, breakdown. Everybody's hopes get smashed, right? And I could really see that. Maybe we retest this 86.3 level or 88 fib. But you know, I wouldn't jump so fast for a breakout and a big move higher, because like this looks super weak, either weak or we have room for a big rally. But if I go over to NZDJPY, then with it being so overextended like it is, the RSI showing so much divergence, you know, I have a hard time really getting behind a huge move to the upside in AJ. So something to watch. You know, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, right? So anything can happen. So just be careful. There's a lot of volatility in the markets. Click the link below. Check us out. Join our Facebook group, and we would love to have you in there. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.